How to log in to your Instagram account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Instagram account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is of course have the Instagram app. You can easily get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. Now after you have the app, you can open it up. Now I already have an account, so let me just add an Instagram account here and log in into one existing. So right here you will see something like this where you can type in your user name. So just do that. So I'll just type in my username. You can do that as well. And after you type in your username, you'll simply need to type in your password. Now type in your password, which is associated to this very Instagram account. And after you type in the password, you'll simply need to tap on the login button. After you do that, you will just log in into your account. And here you can save your login info to make it easier for you to log in again into your account. So I'll just tap on not now for now. And there we go. I've just logged in into my Insta account. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.